Hi guys, for this weekend I thought of making a cake with hot milk and that too in a blender. It's very simple and tasty. So let's get into it. To a bowl, let's sieve in 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, to this, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it gently. And keep this aside. Now to a blender jar, let's add in 4 eggs and 1½ cup of sugar and ½ cup of veg oil. Blend it for a minute. Further, slowly mix in with our dry ingredients. Let's keep this aside. Next step is to heat up a pan and pour in 1 cup of full cream milk. Along with 6 tablespoons of butter. And bring to a boil. It's boiling. Let's turn off the flame. And let's get ready for the next preparation. Now let's add this hot milk mixture to our cake batter. And slowly mix it. Keep on mixing till it is well combined. Further, drop in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix it again. Our batter is now ready. Now let's grease a loaf pan with butter and place a parchment paper at the bottom and fill it up with our cake batter. And Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Our cake is out from the oven. Let's leave it to cool for 10 minutes and then we shall demold and slice it. Remove the parchment paper and let's slice it. This cake is just awesome. Everyone in my family liked this recipe. So do try it and let me know how it came out for you. Same time, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon with another interesting recipe. So keep supporting me and enjoy cooking.